Welcome back to AllbyOly Design. Today I want to share another story of the vintage dress, which that was her mother dress and it didn't fit, so we needed to let out as much as we can. And as you see, the dress had a lot of sequins because of dress preservation. All the sequins got in yellow, so we needed to make sure to remove all the sequins and to finish all the adjustments that we need to finish. This dress is one of a kind, so we needed to keep as much as original as it is. We wouldn't change anything. It's just gonna be a lot of work to remove all this sequins. So to remove this sequence, I had to ask my daughters to help me out because there was plenty and we need in a short time to adjust all this. As you see also in the backside and beautiful puffy sleeves, we're gonna change it into simple sleeves, but we will keep it the length of the sleeves as it is. So I took the seam ripper and delicately I was starting to remove all the sequins. All the beading was original, so we wouldn't touch that. I also asked my daughters to help me out to remove the sequins since we had a very limited time, and yes, my daughter know how to use the seam ripper. On the sleeves, we removed the puffy part and I had to recut it and remake the sleeves. This is how beautiful is the sleeves with no sequins. As you see, it becomes more white. And we also have to remove all these sequins and adjust the sleeve. For adjusting the sleeves, I had to pin on a mannequin and make sure to see how our sleeves is gonna be and also to make sure the length of the sleeves is the same. And the beading that was on the way on the sleeves, I did remove and then applied on top of the sleeves so that way the sleeves and the bottom will look just like original. In the back side, instead of zipper, we added the corset back and we also adding back and move the snap for the bow. In the front, after we remove all the sequins, as you see, becomes more white, but some spot I feel like it needs some beads, so I'm gonna use this half pearl cabocho beads and we're gonna just glue them where in the spot is a little empty, and as you see it becomes more beautiful. I will also add some on the sleeves. As you see, we removed all the sequins right here, so I feel like we need to fill these spots also with beading, so this is how I used and add more beading. And as you see, after all the beading was done, it looks totally different before and after. I love this design of the vintage dress and all the beading. I cannot imagine in our days now to bead so much as they used to do in back of the days. As you see, all the sleeves and all the beading were handmade and we just give a little touch with different beading. After adding a corset to get the better fit and we added back the bow. I cannot wait to show you the final result. So at the fitting, the customer and her mom loved the dress so much, even we did a very small adjustment and just gave a little touch. As you see, before we couldn't fit the dress, we changed the zipper to corset and this is our final result. Thank you so much for following AllbyOly Design, where I share free alteration tutorials and much more.